I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
We're running on garlic bread from the last video. Bruschetta chicken / caprese chicken, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty darn good, I would say.
It's pretty darn delicious. It may look like caprese. It may look like bruschetta or bruschetta because it is. Plus chicken.
Today we're going to be doing grilled chicken because I have my grill master here with me.
We're gonna do a little grill lesson, how to grill the perfect grilled chicken.
Here we go. It starts with chicken.
It starts with chicken. Right before you grill your chicken, you're gonna wanna either put it on a foiled baking sheet or in a bag with balsamic vinegar and olive oil.
Just a little, right?
Just a little, and it's a perfect zing. So the grill has been preheating. It's a spicy 450, and we are gonna bring it down and grill. Sanitary first.
Say hi
Hello.
with it.
Hi.
There you go.
Oven grill is preheated. About 2 to 3 minutes per side. I like to do 3 and 3. Check it after 2. Get those nice grill marks. So, look at these things. Peace. Oh, yes. Oh, jeez.
This is what not to do.
We need tongs, love. So we got a bit of a grilling.
Eric's a grill master.
Grilling disaster. It's stuck to the irrelevant. We're gonna flip. Let's look at these babies. Oh boy. Okay, that doesn't look bad.
Eric, you're supposed to be a professional
good.
griller.
There you go.
Eric, your chicken looks fabulous.
It does look delicious, I must say.
So I'm gonna put it in the oven just to keep it warm. I have my oven set at 175, 200. Do you hear that?
Fantastic.
It's magical. So
What's next?
we're going to work on our bruschetta topping, the most important part. I have a little bit of olive oil in a pan. I'm gonna turn my heat on medium heat. And to it, I'm going to go ahead and sweat some shallots.
Love shallots.
And some just slivered garlic. I just slivered it. A crack of salt. And I like a little heat. Don't you like a little heat?
Oh yeah, a little crushed red pepper flake. Let's do it.
Yeah. There you go, just a little sprinkle. And I'm just gonna
Delish.
saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until, you know, the garlic sweats a little bit, it's not too raw.
Sounds good. I would like to take a bath in this.
Oh, would you?
Yes.
Would you like to simmer along with the shallots?
What you doing now?
So I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes. This is obviously going to make that caprese bruschetta topping the key.
I love these. Just a light touch of heat, right?
Yeah, I like to do it just until the juices are released, so you get a little kind of juice on the bottom, and it's a bit more like a sauce. And then I also want to add in some fresh basil.
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 Fresh basil.
And we just want to saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat, just until those juices are released and the skin gets nice and soft on the tomatoes. It's been that 4 or 5 minutes. You can see what I mean. We're just starting to get a little bit of a sauce, but there's a lot of tomatoes that are still intact. Does that look good?
Looks beautiful.
Okay, so I have my grilled chicken here that I took out of the oven, so it's nice and warm. You can either go ahead and put your fresh mozzarella on and just leave it, put the sauce on. You don't need to melt the cheese. But how I like it, Eric likes it not melted.
You're melty, I'm non-melty.
So I'll do a little bit of each. I'm gonna do some melted on these, just like that, and then I'll leave 2 that are unmelted. I'm gonna take these bad boys off, and I'm gonna put these in the oven just for about 2 to 3 minutes at about 275, 300 degrees, just until the cheese melts. Okay.
Can we drown this in sauce?
Ooh. Okay, chicken. So we have our naked chicken there.
Yes, I like my naked chicken with my fresh mozz.
Yes, put some
Sure.
fresh mozz on those babies.
Okay.
And I'll bring over, we have some beautiful melted mozz on these. That's my favorite.
Whose are those?
The cool kid over here.
Okay.
All right, so after you put, oh my.
Mmm.
Wow, that is a lot of mozzarella.
It's good.
Okay, so after the mozzarella, then it is time for the sauce.
I'm gonna hold it for you.
Oh,
I got it.
hot.
I'll hold it for you.
It's hot.
Come on, just drizzle it up there. Ooh,
Just give some nice spoonfuls of that beautiful sauce.
This is why it's called like the bruschetta or caprese, because you have all of your food groups.
What food groups?
Well,
In
if it's a
bruschetta.
bruschetta food group, it's your tomatoes, your basil, and your mozz. And what you added was shallots, slivered garlic, and of course, chicken.
Chicken.
Look at how beautiful this looks. Are you kidding me?
So I like to just put a little fresh basil right on the top, you know, just to make it look extra pretty.
You nailed it.
And then, would you like to be the drizzle man?
It'd be my honor.
Nice little zhoo, zhoo,
Go with
zhoo.
my right hand.
Oh yeah,
Ooh.
just beautiful.
Can we take a bite of this?
Balsamic it is. It is time to eat.
You have the knife. Can you please cut me a piece? Just a little small one. Ooh, that's the fresh mozz, right? What is this? What the heck?
Are you struggling?
Yes.
That is what you call summer on a plate. You're in jail.
Check this out.
On tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it. Very good.
Good day to you all.